Hello. What we are going to do today is install Skype on our machine. As we can see, the first thing we need to do is open up your internet browser and go up to the top bar and type in www.skype.com. That is going to bring you to this screen. Now, there are several options here, but what we're going to do is join Skype. Now, first we're going to have to create an account. And we're just going to go in and fill in our name, our email address, etc. These are just examples, as I already have a Skype account, so I can't create a new one. Enter your birthday if you want to. Only things that are starred are necessary. So your country and your language are necessary, but your birthday does not. How you intend to use Skype. Now you're going to need to choose a Skype name. My Skype name is lucas.cook. You might choose one that does not contain your name. I would recommend choosing one that you would not be embarrassed to give out to other people, especially because more and more people are using Skype in a professional setting. Then after you've picked your name and your password, you're going to need to go down and use the reCAPTCHA and just type in the words that you see. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sign into my Skype, and what it is going to do is have me download Skype. So it'll bring you to this site, and then this little window is going to pop up here. You'll click Save File, and that will save to wherever your web browser saves files automatically. Usually it's in a folder called My Downloads. It might be to your desktop, or it might be someplace else if you have placed it elsewhere. Then we're going to double click on the recently downloaded file, and we'll choose Run. We'll choose English unless you want to do another language. It's going to ask if you want to install the Google Toolbar or Google Chrome. I always uncheck those options because if I wanted that particular product, I would go and get it on my own. I wouldn't get it through installing another program. That's a personal preference. If you want to install and use Google Chrome, you can. So now it is downloading and installing the program. This could take anywhere from 37 seconds to several minutes. It depends on your computer, it depends on your internet speed. There are a lot of different things that can affect the speed of an install like this. Now, what it is going to do is it is going to create a icon on your desktop, and this is what you'll use to launch Skype. You'll also be able to launch Skype from the Start menu. At the end, it'll ask you if you want to start Skype. I chose to start it. Now, you can create a new account here as well if you just downloaded Skype instead of going through the sign-up process at the beginning. But we're just going to click Having an Existing Account Sign In, going to fill in my name, my Skype name, and my password, and it'll sign in. Again, this is a process that can take anywhere from 5 seconds to 35 seconds to a minute. It just depends. Now this is going to be your basic Skype screen. I always exit out of those ads. Now you can see over on the left here, this is where all of your contacts are. As you can see, I have many contacts. As you can see, if the icon next to their name is red, that means that they are online, but they have set their status to away. If their icon is green and filled in, that means that they are online, they're ready to accept calls. You know, they might be doing something else, but they are available. If it is unfilled in, that means that they are not available. They're not online or away, something to that effect. Now we're going to make a call, so click on your contact and click call. This particular first one failed. I'm not entirely sure why. Sometimes that happens. Just click call again. It's okay. And then this means that we have connected. Now you can use Skype as just a voice chat, or you can use it as a voice and video chat. And then you can rate the quality of your call, because that was to the Skype test call. Now I'm going to add a contact, go to contacts, choose add a contact. It'll bring up this form. Now you can search for people by their email address. You can search for people by their landline phone number. You can search by their full name or their Skype name, depending on what you know. So if someone says, my Skype name is lucas.cook, you could just enter my name and the Skype name. What I did here was I entered my email address, and if someone doesn't have Skype, you can send them an email through Skype, and it will allow you to send them an email inviting them to join you. So I hope that this has helped you get set up with Skype. Good luck.